Hello, everyone, and welcome to BizWise Insight. Today, we have something truly special for you. We're diving into the world of one of the most innovative and influential minds of our time, Elon Musk. In this video, we'll be sharing Elon Musk's game-changing advice for businesses. So, if you're an aspiring entrepreneur or an established business owner, you're in the right place. Tip number 1. When starting a company, I think the most important thing is to work on something that you have a deep passion for. Elon Musk's first piece of advice is to follow your passion. It's a common but crucial tip for any business venture. Whether you're into technology, clean energy, or space exploration, working on something you're deeply passionate about will drive your motivation and determination to new heights. Take Tesla, for example. Elon Musk's passion for sustainable transportation fueled the creation of electric cars that are now revolutionizing the auto industry. Elon Musk is a master of innovation. He advises businesses to focus on creating revolutionary products and solutions. Remember, innovation is the key to staying ahead of the competition. At SpaceX, Musk's obsession with innovation has resulted in groundbreaking developments in rocket technology and space exploration. Tip number 2. Musk emphasizes the importance of taking calculated risks. He believes that you can't achieve something truly remarkable without stepping out of your comfort zone. The Falcon Heavy launch was a risky endeavor, but it paid off, showing that calculated risks can lead to tremendous success. Elon Musk's journey hasn't been without setbacks. He advises businesses to embrace failure, learn from it, and persevere with unwavering determination. Elon states, if something is important enough, even if the odds are against you, you should still do it. Musk's companies are known for their customer-centric approach. He understands that satisfied customers are the key to long-term success. Tesla's success is, in part, due to its commitment to customer satisfaction, making electric cars not only efficient but also desirable. Elon Musk's advice for businesses is a treasure trove of wisdom. From following your passion to embracing innovation, taking calculated risks, persevering in the face of adversity, and putting the customer first, his insights are invaluable for anyone on a business journey. I think it's very important to have a feedback loop where you're constantly thinking about what you've done and how you could be doing it better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is what you make of it.